encanta. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh. Oh, the music. We're going to get hit for copyright. We are going in the store. We're going to bring you guys along, and then we're going to show you guys what we are making for lunch.
What?
Oh, okay. Alright, guys. We're going in.
Let's go.
Yes. Oh, but before we go,
Yeah, don't forget your mask.
don't forget,
I brought my
it's
reusable
still
one.
2021.
Still like
We still have to wear this
2020,
crap. We still have to suffocate ourselves because that's what we do.
I got a
These
reusable
darn
one.
things.
Look at my pretty reusable one.
I have a reusable one, but my kids keep stealing it, so I just keep using these, and they're ungodly. I'm suffocating. It's snowing, you guys.
Yes.
This is the second snow here that we've had, and it snows here really bad. I think it's probably snowing in Cedar Rapids really bad too, but I don't know.
Well, it's not as bad
bad
as that
here.
blizzard that happened like a couple days ago.
What blizzard?
Well, we were outside. Remember that big snowstorm?
Yeah, they went outside and they put a
We were playing outside.
maybe like a fort almost.
Yeah, we were making like a fort, and then we seen like a struck of lightning, and we were like, "What is that?"
Oh,
and I was like, "Does that
yeah.
happen during a blizzard?" I asked my cousin that question, and she's like, "Yeah," and I'm like,
It was lightning and snowing, so the snow was coming down. They were all out there shoveling, helping their neighbors, this and that,
"Yeah."
and it was lightning. Weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, there was a big flash of light. and
Anyways,
all of us were just-
we're going in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ugh. I hate snow. It's so gross. It's in my ear. Oh, it's in my ear. That's disgusting. Okay. There's some more wipes left, so it's good. Alright. Could buy that stuff. Oh, what should we do today? Look, they have, I don't know what this is. I don't understand. What do you do with this? I think it just has skin on it. I guess we're sticking it there. This chicken was pretty good. This one?
That was good.
It was salty.
I like that. It's
Oh, what is that? I don't know what these are. They look like they're chicken on a stick. Steaks for $1. It's a steak. These are like the better. Then they have these.
and then we got an even smaller steak.
Oh, that one looks really good.
It does, but it's very small.
I don't think it's oh yeah, it's a peppered steak. Their meat here is cheaper than town.
There's a pineapple in the middle of the meat section.
Because it's ham, you goober. bacon or this bacon?
How much is this bacon?
That one's $8.
No, like how much bacon is it?
I don't know. I think it's just a pound. I want to see this. Like, actually see what's in here. Yeah, that looks like. I guess we're going with $4 bacon.
More, but I feel like it's expensive than this one.
Ouch. I just feel like we should. Oh, my shoe. I feel like we just need to buy like a couple of these. I don't know. $6 for a gallon of chocolate milk. Alright guys, we're on to the next store, but like we gotta go a little slower this time because within the little bit of time we were into the last store,
We got like an inch of snow.
it snowed like a whole 2 inches out here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, my phone battery is dying and I don't know why. And I really wanted to take you guys in here, but you guys have been in here a million times. So we're gonna go in, get what we need, and we're gonna come right back out. We promise we won't leave you for too long, right?
Yeah.
We gotta go do a couple other errands and then we're gonna take you guys back home.